It started when tower bell ringers found it was very inconvenient how to go up the towers, especially in the middle of winter, to practice their rounds. And so what they did, they used handbells as a substitute for tower bells to practice. And I suspect, and I think, they used to go to the pub to practice, because it's a lot warmer in a pub than it is up in a tower. We use standard manuscript music, so that's the starting point, and we use all those terms that one would normally expect from an orchestral situation, or even an instrument group. So all the Fs, the MFs, and the Ps and so on are exactly the same for us as it would be for a normal instrumental group. But what is different is the technique side. We have no future in real terms unless we develop this junior education cycle where kids are exposed to playing music on handbells at a very early age, and it becomes just a part of their life as any other hobby might. We're struggling because, like many other activities, kids sit down by their computer and they don't go out, and parents don't take them out to these things.